Hi, hello, and welcome back to another video. So today is a collab with the amazing Marshmallow DIY, and we are both going to be doing a prompt drawing. So she gave me a prompt, I gave her a prompt, and I'm gonna be making a drawing using her prompt. So she gave me the prompt of skeletons, and I gave her the prompt of bats/black cats, and yeah, I'm sketching for that prompt, and yeah, let's get started. Oh my gosh, I have so much footage for the line art, like I forgot to film so much of like the actual coloring part, so I have so much line art footage, and line art is so boring to look at, so I'm sorry if half this video is me just drawing and doing line art. I'm truly sorry, because it's I don't even know. But so let me explain to you my drawing idea. So basically she is a skeleton, I guess. Like, I don't know what she is, but she has like she looks like a skeleton, except she has hair. So I don't know, I don't really know where that came from, but her hair is kind of like in a ghost shape. Like, that's the vibe it gives me, with it going up like that. For some reason, I don't know, it makes a lot more sense in my head. So she's a ghost, and well, her hair is a ghost, and she is a skeleton. Yeah. I added a background, and yeah, that is how I finished off the line art. Okay, so coloring. I decided to go with a gray color scheme because gray is great, and I just think gray would go best with skeletons and stuff like that. So I did that. I'm gonna leave you guys alone for a little bit, so don't leave, but yeah, please don't leave. Thank you. To be honest, I had no idea what to do for those clips, like what to edit into those that scene you just saw, but here we are. I'm adding some final details, like white highlights, which I don't do very often, but I did it this time, and I really like it. And I just colored the background with this marker that was really light colored, and it looks so good. I love it so much. So yeah, that's the drawing. I really like it. I hope you guys do like it too, and if you do, subscribe to my channel so that you too can also experience and see more artwork just like this one, because that is fun. And well, yeah, that's a wrap. So that was really fun. I really like this drawing, and I hope you guys do too. Subscribe to Marshmallow DIY. Her channel will be linked in the description box if you want to check it out. But yeah, this video is kind of rushed, and I'm sorry that it's so short, so please forgive me. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys hopefully in my next video. Bye guys.